Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, Friday family, it's the money day. It's the money day. I'm happy day. You know what I mean? Big announcement family. You know what I mean? I feel like right now, you know what I mean? I feel like I can book a flight and go to Jamaica right now with no, you know what I mean, bad feelings about Kenya family. So this is some big news, big announcement family. I just want to let you guys, for my fans and my well-wishers, and you know what I mean, I don't think I have any haters, so I don't have to say it for the haters family. But Jam Tours got his refund. Jam Tours got his refund from Dee Mwango. And you know what I mean, I just want to come guys and actually, you know, share this news with you, because as you know guys, you know, you are the guys that help me. You're the one that's give me information. You are the guys that encourage me, to all of the reactors them, Modesta Lifestyle, Coco Mama, and Trending, AM Carol, Black Beauty, King of Travel, you know what I mean, and all of the Kenyans, you know, reactors them, you know, I think Nairobi Teacher and some other one, you know what I mean, some other little TV and other things, you know what I mean. But all of these people, I want to big them up, and all of the keyboard reactors, the person who comment and say, Jam Tours, go to the small claims court. So, you know what I mean, I just want to make you guys know that I have nothing bad or anything bad to say about Dee Mwango them. You know, I have nothing against them. I wish they move on and they go on to have billions of views on YouTube, billions of subscribers, and everybody support them family. But I just want to let you guys that, you know, good over evil, life over death, injustice over justice over injustice.
What go me G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Now, my viewers and subscribers, welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. Me people, a woolly pa sitting a go on. Woolly pa sitting. Me don't know where to start. You know, see the picture? Hold on, wait a little bit. You know, see the picture on my computer. My viewers and subscribers, welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle and Real Talk TV. Me name the channel, me rename the channel Real Talk TV for a reason. Yes, man, me name it for a reason, because me want to feel comfortable doing real talk, talking real things about what are going on and how people really operate and how people live. So, welcome again. Thank you very much for the like, for the subscribes, and for the share, and for you guys comment. My viewers and my beautiful subscribers, thank you very much. Now, my viewers and subscribers, me not take too long to go in at the business. But before me go in at the business, me go ask all the viewers and all the newcomers, me go say, welcome to each and every one of you. I would like your support. I would like you to subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment on the video. Help the channel to grow. And me veteran and me stalwart and me lovely, beautiful subscribers, thank you very much for keep the channel going. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, me go get into the business. So, as you see, pa me computer over here, so, you see Dee Mwango pan it. And we go get down to serious business with Dee. Me going to open up the flood door about Dee and a lot of things where me say long time what me talk about and how these supporters, them cuss me, them get angry with me, and them tell me off. Now, first thing me have to say about this whole thing. Yeah man, them cuss me and them tell me a lot of things. Now, the first thing me want to talk about is this strike. Yeah, the first thing me want to talk about is the strike. Where Dee Mwango do upon the two Jamaicans. Now, my viewers and subscribers, Dee Mwango is a very tricky, very smart woman, lady. Yes, me I call her all these 10 names, no bad name. Dee Mwango is very smart. Me don't know if all of you I look and I wonder, but Dee Mwango channel is at 455 subscribers for a very long time. What me just say a while ago, there are 455 subscribers for a very long time. I believe, if me not lie, I believe Dee Mwango channel there are 55,000 subscribers for about 4 to 5 months now. And all of a sudden, Dee Mwango strike 2 Jamaicans for the simplest thing of them using her video that she gave her mother a car. And none of these 2 ladies was talking anything bad about Dee Mwango. These 2 ladies, these 2 Jamaican ladies love Dee Mwango, just as many other Jamaican vloggers love Dee Mwango. Now, my viewers and subscribers, Dee Mwango is very dangerous when it comes on to thumbnail and YouTube. Dee Mwango is the clickbait queen of YouTube. Remember that. So, any of you really realize or think that Dee Mwango strike these 2 Jamaicans just to get some serious action coming to her page? I think that's what Dee Mwango do. I think Dee Mwango strike these 2 Jamaicans because she know, say when she strike the 2 Jamaicans, she go get attraction. People go come over her page because she know you do not interfere with Jamaicans and Jamaicans just leave it alone. People around the world going to see it just exactly like what happened right now. Jamaicans talk about Dee Mwango striking Jamaicans. The African them talk about it too. So it a trend right now. Anyway, here what me have to say about the whole saga of Dee Mwango. Dee Mwango been doing a lot of things throughout the year. And people been saying how dangerous Dee Mwango and her brother is. But nobody believe. Every video or any video you make about Dee Mwango followers take you on, cuss you off. Let's do this. Let's say particular Jam Tour. You remember when Jam Tour come out and say Dee Mwango rob him, a whole heap of money. Everybody say Jam Tour was lying. Yeah, man, everybody say Jam Tour was telling a big lie. Jam Tour tell lie on Dee Mwango. So now that all of you all see the real Dee Mwango, everybody now start to talk. The African vloggers talk about Dee Mwango, nobody listen. One of the African vloggers said, Jamaicans, I'm warning you, you all go be sorry taking Dee Mwango like how you know taking Dee Mwango. She's not a good person. Jam Tour also do a video saying Kino, Dee Mwango is playing you. Nobody listen. Kino didn't listen. Nobody listen. Everybody take up Kino and do. Everybody take up Dee Mwango and operate like she are the queen of the world. Meanwhile, Dee Mwango I do some dangerous something behind closed door. Yep. Who remember when Dee Mwango do a video say my immigration process in Jamaica relocating to Jamaica forever? Who remember that video? She get over 100,000 views on that video. Dee Mwango can everybody, with all due respect to all ladies, certain thing I don't really say, but because of this video, I will have to say it. Dee Mwango use allegedly her body to get around all these people. And the reason why I put it that way is everywhere Dee Mwango go, she have a different boyfriend. And she's not afraid of saying, this is my boyfriend. Dee Mwango come to Jamaica and have a Jamaican vlogger let her drive on Jamaican road without a license. That how smart Dee Mwango is. She let, there's only one vlogger Dee Mwango go around and didn't get to her way, and it's Color Smith. But everybody else Dee Mwango go around, she get her way. Dee Mwango come in Jamaica and go in Portland. And there was a house that a guy was building. And for some reason, I have no idea how she do it. But she get that guy to allow her to say it's her house when it's not her house. That's even before she met up with Kino. That's how long time I watch Dee Mwango. When Dee Mwango get in with Kino and Trenchtown, I said to myself, what are they doing? They don't realize this woman is using Jamaica to get her subscriber up. None of them realize that's what she's doing. Not one of them realize that's what Dee is doing. So I go over upon a few of the African vloggers' site, and I said, let me listen to what them are talk about. And I tell you the truth, them talk some things and I say, that's the same thing I think about Dee Mwango. Dee Mwango would come to Jamaica. She would do some things. I did a video. And the Jamaicans they curse me out, then cuss me off. Tell me, say me if you leave Dee alone because Dee is highlighting Jamaica. One of them send me a message and say, she never go to Flanker. She didn't know that's how inside a Flanker look until when Dee Mwango video inside a Flanker. Now, I didn't answer that lady because what I wanted to say to her was, shame on you. Shame on you. It's your country. And you make another person from another country who is using your country to big up herself have to show you about your own country? No, I said, I know every part of Jamaica because I want to know every part of my country. Me nah say everybody must know every part of Jamaica. Me nah say that. And when them tell me about Dee Mwango is highlighting Jamaica, I said, how can Dee Mwango highlight a country that is already highlighted? Jamaica been highlighted from before Dee Mwango born. And all them do, sit down and have a person who comes in the country and taking, using the country, use Dee Mwango, use Jamaica and use Jamaicans to reach 455,000 subscribers. And now she's stuck. So what she do? Strike 2 Jamaicans. You tell me that is the only 2 people that use Dee Mwango video is 2 Jamaicans? Why she can't strike the Africans? Why she can't strike the Africans or strike anybody else? But she strike 2 Jamaicans because if you strike the Jamaicans are going to come up in full color. And then you can get attraction because that time now people who don't know you is going to come and see your video. And they go subscribe and it go get you your 500,000 subscribers because remember, that's your goal. 500,000 subscribers. So you're using Jamaica again to reach to your goal. Only this time in a disrespectful way. You use the country clickbait and write oh your own mansion at Jamaica. And all Jamaica, not all the Jamaicans, most of the Jamaicans who love other people from other countries more than them own Jamaican, like the other day when Inter Miami a play Cavalier at Jamaica. Cavalier bring a big team in at Jamaica. If it wasn't for Cavalier, Messi wouldn't come at Jamaica come play. But nobody was shouting for Cavalier. They were shouting for Messi. Messi, Messi, Messi. When Messi score on the Jamaican team, the stadium erupt. Because that's how Jamaicans are. Yeah, man, that's how Jamaicans are. So right now, the strike that you see them 2 girls get from Dee Mwango, that's tragedy. Dee Mwango I use. Because there's no way you go strike 2 people if talk good about you. So you sit down, pencil it out, and you say, if I strike 2 Jamaicans, I'll get attraction. I would bring people more to me. And that's exactly what you do, Dee Mwango. Take it from me. That's exactly what you do. And everybody must realize Dee Mwango is not a walk in the park. Very smart, very tricky, and very skilled. Look at who is her brother. Look at who is her brother. But the African vloggers, they all talk about Dee Mwango every day, and they beg the Jamaicans, for do not welcome in Dee Mwango like how them are welcome, or them beg us, them beg you all, not us, cause tell you the truth, me never involved in a hit. Because me see her for who she is, and me ask the question, and me say, Dee Mwango should not pay Jamaica some money, because all she do, she visit Jamaica and act like she a tourist. Meanwhile, all she do, I use Kino and I use all the rest of them for benefit herself. Have me excuse by using, maybe giving away a little something. That's just how me see it. What my channel name? Real Talk. So me have to be real. Me no know if she give them nothing, cause me never did it. Or them a look limelight too. Or them a look subscriber too. 2 for 1. But me know, me talk and me tell them say that is what she a do. Now it open people say what she a do. Give thanks to the African vloggers them who have vlogged more now about it, and them can even say, Jamaicans, I did told you, Jamaicans, me did tell you, say, do not trust Dee Mwango. I said them talk. Them talk nice, I love all them talk. But the Africans was one in each and every one of them. You can't say the African they never had one, you know. Dee Mwango is the biggest liar clickbait in the world. You see where Joyful Julie thumbnail say? Yes, she's the biggest clickbait in the world. But listen to me. Viewers and subscribers, content creators, big or small, if you know I watch this video, a full time now, you really sit down and realize. So when people come from foreign and come join up with you, if make content, not all of them is with you. Not all of them is with you. Some of them come just for gain, traction, for views, like everybody does still. But how Dee Mwango do it? She use it different. She lie. She tell lie. She do all kind of bad things. And now it a come out in the open. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, until the next video, part 2 of this video, I'm out. See you next time. Peace and love. And remember, like the video, share the video, comment on the video. And you don't know, it's your boy, Rodney's Life. Real Talk TV. Now say alright. Peace and love, my people. Until next time, see you now. I'm out.